Hi everyone. Sometimes I see people who are a little bit worried because they've forgotten to open the zip before turning their bag. So I just wanted to make a little quick video to show what I do. So I've got this bag ready to birth and I'm going to be birthing it through this zipper pocket. But as you can probably see, I left my zip closed. So all I do is just reach inside through the lining, and you can just feel the zipper through the lining and just give it a little pull. And voila, there it is. And you can then just birth your bag through that zipper pocket.